Ah, you good?
Yeah. Oh. Hey, time to go, time to go. Come on, y'all, let's go.
I said, fuck that shit.
A good ass time, bitch. I thought I was a motherfucking jet.
Hey, you seen this bitch yet? His plate? Hey, hit your plate. Where's he at?
Oh, the Benny, you got the Benny plate?
Yeah, that shit goes black. That's tough.
Oh, his plate is up. Huh? What you want me to do?
Hey, this is our friend again. You spinning again? All right, come on. Let me get in this bitch, please. You're done. Me.
Okay, he's
All right,
fine.
fuck.
He's fine. He said something.
All right, spin.
Tom Henry Edward. Boy, I don't.
Getting ready to just code for the whole thing. It's like, why?
Yeah, he was in the back. He was all doing donuts. So yeah, so we pulled up. He sped off. And then,
Oh, so he crashed while he was trying to speed off.
Yeah, get up. Because we flipped on our lights so everybody could like disperse, and then he took a fucking rocket.
Well, that's what my plan was. To be honest, I was just going to code for the whole thing. It's like we're so busy. It's like unless.
Man, oh man. Whoever did this is not the new Mustang,
Yeah, this is a nice car too.
They got the little cover on the back too.
So I'm the dude who crashed his Mustang. Yep, it was me. So first off, running from police is bad. Don't do it. There's real consequences behind your actions. 2, I thought the car in front of me was going to move because like when I was going down there, the car was already moving. So I really thought the car in front of me was gonna move, and they didn't. You know, it's funny, the police officer in the camera, they said that they was gonna call it off anyways. Bruh. But I didn't even I could have just drove off regularly. So, you know, boom, I hit the car, you know, I immediately get out. I walk straight to the police car because I was like, damn, fuck. But I wasn't even thinking about my car at the time. I was like, police, like when I got out the car and I walked over to the police car, he was like, why did you run? Why'd you do this? Why you do that? And I was like, bro, just go make sure they're okay, bro. Just go make sure they're okay. So boom, they put me in the back of the police car. All I hear is somebody yell, hey, there's a pregnant lady here. I'm like, bro, what? Nigga, I was broken hearted, bro. Broken hearted. I was like, bro, I just killed this baby. I'm like, oh, fuck. I'm definitely going to jail now. But yeah, they the police, like on the spot, they gave me a appear to court, you know, few tickets and all that. Thank goodness. Shout out to my lawyer. You know, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. And that bread, that nigga, he used to, like, every time I used to go to court, he'd be like, you got my bread? And I was like, oh yeah, here you go. So basically, I would, like, I'm not like a selfish person. The whole time I was in handcuffs, the whole time I went home, like, I went home that same night and I laid in my bed and I was just thinking about the person I hit. On the way home and at home, I literally spent like hours. So I went through the whole Telegram. I went this, that. I was reaching out to so many people. I tried so hard to try to reach out to them and give them my insurance, you know, this, that, and third, because the police, they couldn't find my phone, so they didn't give them my insurance. So I tried hardest, like my hardest to, you know, make sure that they were good, that they were straight. I did a little extra. I'm not gonna say what I did, but you know, I tried to make sure that they were good, the best of my ability. Me like hitting them put them in a little bit of a financial bond as well, because you know, now they don't have a vehicle, they gotta go to work, they gotta do this, they have a baby on the way, you know, get a new vehicle, this, that, insurance, you know, now my insurance going up, their insurance is up, you know, so it really fucked both of us in the ass. And you know, they just didn't do anything, they was just there, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to rebrand, because I no longer have that car. I'm gonna try to get it back, and I'm gonna try to like do this, do that. But I'm gonna try to rebrand this channel from less like illegal car content like that to more like you know, chill. We're doing vlogs and stuff. There'd be like car content, like every once in a while there'd be a car event that I go to, you know, maybe. For the most part, it's gonna be calm. I'm gonna try to keep it entertaining, because like for the longest time people have been telling me to start a YouTube channel, start recording my life, because you know, I do hope I not to glaze myself too much, but I do a whole bunch of crazy things. I'm gonna try to upload different types of videos on this channel. Hopefully y'all niggas fuck with it. If y'all don't, if you do, you do, you know. Go ahead and subscribe if you want. If you don't, I don't really blame you, because there's not gonna be much content like that coming soon. That's pretty much all I gotta say.